For over 80 years, helicopters have dominated short-distance flight. They rescue people from mountains, transport executives across cities, connect airports to downtown skylines. But there's one problem. Most people hate living near them. They're loud, expensive, complex, and surprisingly inefficient. Now a company in California believes it can replace the helicopter entirely. Its name is Joby Aviation, and if it succeeds, your next Uber might come from the sky. Joby was founded in 2009 by engineer Joby Aviation. His vision sounded almost impossible. Build an aircraft that takes off vertically like a helicopter, flies like an airplane, runs on electricity, and is quiet enough for cities to accept. For years, the company worked mostly in silence. No hype, no flashy launches, just thousands of test flights and billions of dollars invested into one goal: creating a practical air taxi. The result is an electric aircraft with 6 tilting propellers. It lifts off vertically from a small landing pad. Then the propellers rotate forward, transforming the aircraft into an efficient winged airplane. The transition happens in seconds. The aircraft can carry a pilot and 4 passengers, and unlike helicopters, it produces only a fraction of the noise. That's the breakthrough. The challenge was never making something fly. It was making something cities would actually tolerate. Joby's aircraft is designed to be fast, quiet, and emission-free during flight. The company has already accumulated tens of thousands of test flight miles and recently began testing production-conforming aircraft as it moves toward certification. But technology alone isn't enough. The real battle is infrastructure. You need landing sites, air traffic systems, passengers, regulators, and money. Lots of money. That's where Joby made some powerful allies. Toyota has invested hundreds of millions of dollars while helping improve manufacturing processes. Delta Airlines partnered with Joby to connect airports and city centers. Uber plans to integrate Joby's air taxis directly into its platform. The vision is simple: open an app, book a ride, travel from the airport to downtown in minutes instead of an hour. In demonstrations, routes that normally take nearly an hour by car have been completed in under 10 minutes. If that becomes affordable, entire cities could change. Property values, commute patterns, business districts, even the meaning of distance. Suddenly, living 40 miles away might feel like living 4 miles away. But this future is far from guaranteed. Joby still faces enormous challenges. The biggest is certification. Commercial aviation is one of the most heavily regulated industries on Earth. One delay can push timelines back by months or years. Then there's competition. Companies like Archer Aviation, Beta Technologies, and major international players are racing toward the same prize. Whoever scales first could define an entirely new transportation industry. There's also the economics. Building aircraft is expensive. Building thousands of aircraft is even harder. Joby has raised billions and continues to spend heavily before meaningful revenue arrives. Yet despite the risks, momentum is building. The company is preparing commercial launches, expanding infrastructure, testing production aircraft, and developing autonomous flight systems with partners like NVIDIA. That may be the most important clue. Joby isn't trying to build a better helicopter. It's trying to create a new transportation network. One where roads become optional, where airports extend into cities, and where the sky becomes the next layer of urban mobility. For decades, flying cars were science fiction. Today, they are engineering projects. And somewhere between the traffic jams below and the empty air above, Joby Aviation is betting that the future of transportation won't stay on the ground.